minister is going to tell me don't politicize this. It was never politics. But they keep coming for me. They keep coming for my family. They keep coming for your father. They keep coming for Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the greatest president in the history of Nigeria. The only president that has carried young people along from when he was governor to when he became president. The only president that considered youth and student loans. The only president that's created a platform for young people to thrive. The only president that has created a company that benefits everybody. The only president that's not trying to enrich his own pocket. And you're telling me, no. Let's address this. The ASAP program was one where I wanted to come and breakfast with my peers. It is something that Noella Foundation has been doing for over 6 years in Lagos. Something that we have done every single day by breaking and having iftar with 2,000 people every single day. And last year, we sent over 20,000 buses alone to the northwest and another 10,000 to the northeast. And now they're saying he is only bringing cooked food to the north and is giving grant to the south. Let's address this. In the north, we have done educational school programs. In the north, we have given iPads out. Everything I say, we are the future. We know what it takes. We know what it's going to take because we come together as a group to work together. Should I go hard or should I go soft? On your Monday, we shall start. On your Monday, we shall start. On your Monday, on your Monday, on your Monday, we shall start. We shall stand. On your Monday, we shall start. On your Monday, we shall stand. Have we ever had a country where the future looks so bright?